got halo-halo guys for dessert. What would you like, honey? Lugaw pa, Mak? Isa lugaw.
Bilo-bilo. Binignit?
Binignit.
Babe, you want my banana?
Oh. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to our channel, and for those who are new, welcome. My name is Jovi, and for today's video guys, as you can see, I've got the camera again. We are going out. We're going to see one of our friends again that we haven't seen for a while. Ooh, that's dark. So I'm just gonna turn the car on first. So we're gonna leave it on for a bit. And oh, the sun is up guys, but it's pretty cool still. I'm gonna show you my OOTD. So I've just got jeans on guys and flats. Because it's just, you know, lunching. Oh, hello princess. Hi, are you ready? Yes, that's right. Alina, Mak?
Yes, go.
So guys, we are in the car now. I'm just gonna drive to North Melbourne. So we've got Mimi, my sister there, and also Paris. Say hi, Nak. Hi. So yeah, it's not very far from here guys. I'd say maybe the lighting is really bad. There you go. So yeah, I think it's about 20 minutes from here, or maybe less. It depends on the traffic. But yeah, so that's where we're going. And also guys, we're going to a Filipino restaurant in Errol Street. I think it's called Reynaldo'S, something like that. I've been there before. I think maybe, you know, twice. And yeah, so we're going back there today for lunch, and yeah, we'll take you guys with us, and we'll see you guys when we get there. Bye. So hi guys, we're here now. We just parked, huh?
Mag-vlog ka?
No. Mimi, she's taking the pram out, and our little one is still. Oh, she's awake. Can you see? So yeah, guys, the sun is blinding.
Jacket, oh.
Yeah. So you guys, we're just gonna take Paris out. And then we actually park away from the restaurant guys, because there was no parking, there was no choice, so we had to park here. No. Hi princess. Oh. Ba. Ba. Is that hi? Hi everyone. I love you, Nana. So we are in North Melbourne, guys. So we're just walking towards the Filipino restaurant, and I've got my buddies there. Hi, honey. Hello. the sun is so bright. But yeah, this is Errol Street, guys. Yeah, very cold. But guys, very cold guys too, pero
Winter rules.
winter water siya guys. Ooh, okay. Our turn. So it's not very far from the city, guys. As you can see, so it looks like South Melbourne. Yeah. So we got the bank, we've got this post office, but it's currently closed because obviously it's Sunday. But yeah, I think our friend is already there, guys. So guys, that's where we're going. Reynaldo'S, Grills and Sizzles. Hi, how are you? Oh, our friends are there. Yeah, thanks. We've got halo guys for dessert. What would you like, honey? Lugaw ka, Mak? Isa lugaw.
Bilo-bilo. Binignit?
Binignit.
Babe, you want my banana?
Oh. Yeah. Hi guys, we just finished our lunch. It's Gabby guys, lunch is like 3 o'clock already. But yeah, it was good. It was actually amazing food, guys. Filipino food. Yeah, so Fallon and IJ left now, so we're just walking towards our car. It's freezing. It's freezing. So guys, I had bulalo and what did you have? Pork skewers, barbecue, and we had halo-halo, guys. And what's the other one? Binignit. It was good. It was yummy. So we're gonna go home now, guys. Yes. You wanna say hi, Par? Say hi. Say hi, bye. Guys, Paris needs her nap. She's very happy today. Yeah, because she had halo-halo. That's why. What's that? Dancing. 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 Oof. It's very nice here, guys. The roads are really, you know. Oh, yeah. Got it. Paris is taking over the vlog. Say something, Nak. Say something. Dush. Horse. That's horse. Where's the car? Asan na tayo? Guys, Sunday is nearly over na po, guys. We're back to work tomorrow. Siksik yung gati. Nagupo. Dami ako yung sinina, guys. Ha? Walang gibiyaan ako nila, guys. Bindigo Street eh. Bindigo Street. So, ulit na mi guys kay manghinlo pa mig balay. Kaya ang among balay julingit. Lululululu. Where's the keys?
Under the pram. Careful.
Did you get it? Wait.
What? What?
Uy, bulingit kayo sa kanan. Wala na ako gigoy, pwede kayo wow.
Grabe ka.
Ang sakyanan, lupig bay.
Basurahan.
Basurahan.
1, 2, 3. Ah!
Uy, careful na. Okay. Hi guys, we're back in the car now and we look so bugged guys. It's a bit windy outside. Yeah, hi, how was your food?
Very great. Very good.
How's the chips, honey?
Free chips. Thank you, Reynaldo'S.
Yeah, I think they didn't charge us for the chips, but it was so good. So yeah, it was great catching up with our friend Fallon and her partner IJ, guys. Hi guys, if you're watching, hello. It was a great catch up. I love the chat, I love the food. Yeah, so we're back in the car again guys. We're gonna drive home now and yeah, I don't know, maybe we're gonna stop at the car wash and get the car cleaned because it's a bit filthy at the moment. So hi again guys, we are finally home. I just parked the car and as you can see my passengers are all asleep. Oh god, so they're sleeping guys. So we didn't get a chance to wash the car, so we're going to do that hopefully in 2 days time when we get a chance. Yes, we just drove home straight away guys because I know we need to clean the house as well. So yeah, I think I'm going to end the vlog here now guys. Thank you very much for being with us today. As always, I'm very grateful for you all watching our vlogs. And yeah, if you have any requests or you know anything like that, please comment down below. And yeah, I hope to see you all guys in our next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.